Welcome to Tatted Food Therapist. We about to make some nice, delightful things that you can have over the holidays. A drink that's gonna make you want to fall asleep. I promise you, but it'll be so satisfying. So, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a drink using my favorite version of nut milk, along with some sea moss, black sesame seeds, Brazilian nuts, and walnuts. Okay, I have combined together less than a cup of each, so about a half a cup of each. Brazil nuts, sesame seed nut, black sesame seeds, walnuts together in here. With that half a cup, I've put in 3 cups of water. All right, and also in here, forgot to add things I like to keep in my cabinet. I'm gonna put in 3 cardamom pods. I like the taste of cardamom, and it's actually really good. I help with digestion, soothing stomach stuff too. Of course, the lovely cinnamon. If you have any like cholesterol issues, any heart issues, cinnamon is an excellent thing to add to your water as well as your meals, especially first thing in the morning. It'll make you feel really warm too. Those of you who are always cold. I like a lot of cinnamon in this drink, so put a lot of cinnamon in this drink. And then we have fenugreek seeds. Now, here's the secret about these, and many people don't know. If you open this bag, you'll probably get a hint of what you think is a sweet smell. If you crush these seeds, they smell like maple syrup, okay? So we're gonna add, not a lot, maybe about that much. That much. Now, if you want more, do your thing. But that's all my taste buds can handle for right now. I've also added 4 dates. I took the seeds out. They could be the sweetener. Now, if that's not enough for you, maple syrup works just as well. Okay? If you want to use agave, you can use agave too. That works just as well. I think that's it. All right, we're going to find out. Oh, okay. I like to add sea moss, okay? The reason I add sea moss to this is because usually I drink this before I go to bed, or I do drink it on like when it's like snowing outside. This is my version of like, it could be eggnog. You could spice it up some more. You can warm it up too. It's delicious warm, okay? But all we're gonna do is blend this up, strain it right here. Then I'm probably gonna add some more sea moss to it just to thicken it up too, because to make the consistency a little thicker. If you don't like sea moss, you can add bananas, very ripe bananas. They will actually replace the dates and the maple syrup. But you probably want to add them when the peels are almost brown, okay? That way you get that sweet flavor from the bananas. If not that, some people use avocado. For some people, avocado is a very neutral taste, so it could be very, it can be used as a thickener as well. We're just gonna blend this baby. And weed that. So we strain it. Now, I am going to use this again, okay? I'm gonna use it again for, oh my God, for another recipe, okay? So none of this stuff goes to waste, all right? I'll clean that in a few minutes. We're here just straining, okay? Now, while you're straining this, one of the tips that I like to keep in mind, one of the suggestions that I have is I would keep your sweeteners and some of the other seasonings nearby, because it might not be as flavorful as you would like for it to be. You might want to add a little something extra to it to enhance that, whether it be sweet or spicy flavor. You can put nutmeg in it. Of course, the cinnamon is amazing. I usually will add vanilla bean. Man, and if that's what makes it. You need something to let you go to sleep. If you have some adult syrup nearby, it might help you out. All right, but we're gonna strain this as much as we can. Okay, you want to try to get out as much of the liquid as possible, because like I said, we are going to use this part again. All right, now You could leave this in this bowl, cover it up, leave it in the refrigerator. It'll last at least a good 3 or 4 days. After that, you might want to check before you drink it because like it's all natural stuff. If you would like to keep it a little longer, you can add salt to it and put it in something like airtight. Okay, and it'll last a lot longer too. If you want to freeze it, it'll last probably at least another month and a half or so. Okay, in the freezer. But one of the things you can enjoy over the holidays is good for you. It tastes good. People gonna love you for it. They're gonna be wondering what the heck you made this out of. Tell them to come see us.